Little storyteller.
Whiskers the cat had an idea. She loved to watch the yummy treats go up high on the shelves. Blue the dog loved to eat those treats. Whiskers had soft gray fur and big green eyes. Blue was a big floppy dog with golden fur and a wagging tail. Whiskers found a small stick, a stretchy rubber band, and a tiny cup. She worked with her little paws and made a tiny catapult. Woof! Barked Blue happily, his tail thumping on the sunny kitchen floor. Whiskers put a small round treat into the tiny cup of her catapult. She pulled the cup back and bowing. The treat flew up, but not quite high enough to reach the shelf. Whiskers looked at Blue. She tapped the catapult with her paw and then pointed to the shelf. Meow, she said, trying to show Blue what to do. Blue wagged his tail even faster. Whiskers put another treat in the catapult. She tried to help Blue put his paw on the cup, but munch, 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 Blue ate the treat instead. Whiskers tried again and again, but every time she put a treat in the catapult for Blue, he would just gobble it up with a happy arf. Whiskers sat down and sighed. Her ears drooped a little. Blue nudged her with his wet nose. He looked at the catapult, then at the shelf, then back at Whiskers. Suddenly, Blue had an idea. He couldn't work the catapult, but he could help in his own way. He gently nudged the bag of treats closer to Whiskers with his nose. Then he sat very still and watched as Whiskers put a treat in the catapult and launched it. Bowing. This time, Whiskers aimed carefully, and the treat landed right on the shelf. Whiskers purred happily and rubbed against Blue. Blue wagged his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. They couldn't do it alone, but by working together, Whiskers could launch the treats, and Blue could help her get ready. It's fun to help your friends, even in small ways.
Please subscribe. Thank you.